It's day 10 of the 2024 harvest season, and the demo combine is going on to its next spot. We really appreciate H&R Agripower for letting us use this machine for as long as they did, helping us get some corn in and covering some acres while our machine has been down. There she goes in all of her glory. Everybody's been asking me, Drew, what do you think of the red machines? Well, this is how I feel about them. We loved it so much, we bought our own. We've had John Deere combines since the 80s, but our past three machines we just had such bad luck out of, we decided to change our luck up a little bit, and we traded for a red one. And we appreciate H&R Agripower for everything they did for us. We'll see y'all tomorrow.